everyone, this is Bernie, your Revit Blaster here at Printistat Incorporated, bringing you the TNT for Revit users. This is video number 2 of 2 for stairs. I want to show you a little bit about stringers and railings, okay? Just to make your life a little bit easier. So here's the stair I created in the first video. I'm going to go to this section. I want you to notice the stringer is just a regular 2 by something. It's a profile, but we can change that. So what I want to show you is go to edit the type. Under supports, you have right support and left support. And I'm going to go to the support type. Stringer 2-inch width. It's really a default selected profile. It's default. It's a Revit default. If you click down, you see you have 2-inch, you have 1/4 inch. Well, I'm going to duplicate that. And I'm going to change this type to C channel. Now, typically in the C channel, you use a 12 by 20.7. I think I have it loaded in here now. I'm going to go to the profile, section profile of the stringer. It's at default. Oh, it's only 9 by 15. Okay, we'll do it just to show you. There it is. It's a little bit backwards of what I want. So I'm going to select there again, go back into this C channel one. And I'm going to hit the flip button, flip section profile. Cool tool. Hit OK twice. There it is. But I also want to insert a 12 by 20.7. So I'm going to hit C channel shapes. I'm in profiles. I'm loading a family. I'll load it into the project. And I'm going to pick the 12 by 20.7. Hit OK. Overwrite the existing is fine. Now, select the stair. Hit the edit the type. In the C channel, I just want to change the type. So I'm going to go in here, hit the section profile, change it to the 20.7. Now you're going to see it a little bit taller. Boom, there it is. Let's change this one. My bad. Get the whole stair here. Edit the type. Let's change the other stringer. Instead of 2-inch width, let's change it to a C channel. What we have to do is change the type. It's already in there. Hit OK twice. There it is. It shows up. Awesome, right? Now, what about this railing? The railing post is going down onto a tread. A lot of times what they do with this is they install this post on the C channel. So let's move it. One of the best tips I can give you about railings and stairs is moving them by dimension, not by hand. I'm going to move it 2 inches, but I need to move it by just hitting a minus in front of there so it moves over. There it moved over. And actually, I did that wrong. I want to add another 1/4 inch on there. 0.25. It's closer to the center. Maybe I didn't look at the actual width of the C channel flange, but let's go another 1/4 inch. I'll delete that and go to half. That's pretty good, 1.5. Let's do that for this one. The minus, go to 1.5. Boom, there it is. It looks pretty centered. Now that looks good. Let's go to 3D. Look at that, there it is. That's the one we did. Rotate here a little bit. There it is sitting on top of the channel. Very nice. So now you have that railing just the way you want it. Once you do that, you can then create all the stairs you want in your project, and you know what it's going to be looking like. Okay? Hope that helps you in what you do. Have a great day.